Morning and welcome to Southport for the day. It's about 8:20 in the morning and there doesn't appear to be more than about 2 miles an hour wind, so this should be a nice little flight. We've got the Petrel U42WH Petrel today. We've got it strapped up with a MateCam 1080p camera just for some reasonable footage. I haven't got the FPV running today, so we just start up the camera. There we go, that's recording. Okay, pre-flight checks have been done. We've checked that the rotors are all attached and screws are tight, etc, etc, and we've made sure that the area is clear. We are in an archery field, but luckily there are no one attempting to kill us today with the archery. I'll actually turn the controller on first. Pull down so that it's in pairing mode, click on the drone and leave it alone. There we go, we are bound, and it's both sticks in to start her up and lift off. Now, even though this is a very light quad, it handles the weight of the MateCam very well, as you can see. You can do a walk around there, come back. Very nice. Okay, let's take her out. Take her out for a little bit. Now, she handles so very smooth. It's oh, you see her chopping in the wind. She doesn't like breezes, but she is very, very stable. This is just mode 1, and it's very flat flight, perfect for filming with. We'll go over to those archery targets and have a quick look at those. Now, with the as you can see, with the green front props, it is incredibly easy to see which direction you're facing. Your orientation is so much easier with these green props. You've got red lights in the back and green lights in the front, which again is useful. Come on now, she doesn't like the wind. But yeah, orientation is really easy with this drone because those green props stand out for miles. Well, maybe not miles. I think it's got a control range of about 80 to 100 meters. Let's have a quick look over here. We've got a breeze coming from the drone's left, so which is easterly in direction. But what we'll do, we're going to go over here. I'm going to put that in. No, I'm going to leave it in mode 1 for now. We'll see what we need to do when we get to the location. Here we go. Now then. No, we're going to bring it down a little bit and put her in mode 2. Because the breeze is coming towards us there. And she's having a little bit of trouble. There we go. Alright, drop her down some. We can do a slow run down this little grove. We are right next to a road, but I'm keeping it below the tree line so that if it does go anywhere, it's not going to... Okay, we'll turn her there. A little bit too much. We'll bring her back. Yeah, she flies so smooth. Even in mode 2, I'm giving it almost no forward throttle. and she's moving quite nicely. Now, I wouldn't recommend you come to an archery field to fly your drone at a weekend, because you're likely to get shot, or your drone is anyway. But this is a nice quiet area today. It's a very misty and dull day, but I'm taking the fact that there's almost no wind and it's not raining, which it has been pretty much constantly for the last week or so. I am really hoping for some better weather soon, but let's give her a quick look up there. And yeah, I'm not going to be performing any funnels on this on this flight with the camera attached. So it is velcroed on, but I don't really want to push the limits of the velcro and drop my camera in a puddle. So we won't be doing that today. But I'll take this out again at the weekend and do some flying without the camera and with the FPV, so you can see the FPV footage of what the actual camera is. I think it's a 680 by 480 or something. It's 0.3 megapixel camera, I believe. So it's nothing special, but it is pretty clear from what I've seen. Drifting with the wind there. It's almost like she pops into sort of vortex ring state of her own accord on occasions, but 99% of the time she is, as you can see, pretty stable. There's maybe a 4 or 5 mile an hour wind coming from the east, but she's actually handling it quite well. See if we can get out to that other target over there. Don't want to push the control range too far because I haven't tested it. I will be doing that, I guess, at the weekend as well, testing that range. We'll get someone else from Southport to come and give us a hand and test the control range, and we'll probably stick the Wi-Fi repeater on and see if we can get an extended Wi-Fi range test as well. Oh, now there's our LVC. Come down now. All right, let's go home. We apologise for the abrupt ending of this segment. The presenter is currently dealing with a lack of talent. Normal service will resume shortly. So that was the maiden flight of the U42WH Petrel. In the next episode we will be showing a full review of the Petrel with all the specs and functions, as well as a range test and hopefully a damn sight more sunshine. So join us next week for that. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. I'm Steve for Southport Drones. Thanks for watching and fly safe.